Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a secret how to connect more homeowners and landlords in your area with no upfront cost. Stay tuned. First, you're going to need to download the ChoreRelief Pro app. It's for free. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Second, we have a variety of services. Pick and choose whichever that fits your skills. And the last step is set up your service area. This two things allows us to identify each time there's a job that happens to match between these two conditions, we will be sending them your way via form of text message, email, and push notification. And here's the thing, when you get that text message, I want you to open the app immediately. So you'll be able to see information like the job details, the time and the date and the location, and most importantly, which is unheard of from anyone else, we're also going to be able to share with you the client's budget. And when you see that job, it's exactly going to pinpoint where you're at and how far is the job from you, so you don't have to second guess how long is it going to take you to get there. At this point, you have three choices. You can pass on the opportunity, you can accept the offer as is, or you can send a counter offer. Now it's up to the client at this point to decide whom they like to hire. They can initiate a conversation with you from the chat, but that's up to their discretion. And if you do get the job, which we hope you do, it is important to update the status of work. For example, when you are getting ready to go to meet with the clients, it's important to click "I'm on my way." This not only let us know that you're going, but it also let the clients know you're coming. And then when you arrive to the job site and you're ready to get to work, click "Start the job." Now this step is really important if you're getting hired by the hour. It allows the system to track the time you spend at the job minute by minute. And once you completed the work and you're ready to click finish, you're going to need to take pictures of the completed work. You upload those to the app, hit submit, and then we send an invoice to the customer with the pictures of the completed work. At this point, the client can review the work, review your services, and then pay right within the app. And funds deposit into your bank account within 2 business days. We want you to be extremely professionals. We want you to be on time. After all, this is your business. We're just simply helping you connect with more customers in your area. Join the thousands of contractors that have been using the ChoreRelief Pro app to connect with homeowners and landlords in your area. We want you to be part of our community.